In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your own landing page template on ClickFunnels. The goal here is simple. Set up one solid landing page that you can reuse over and over, instead of rebuilding from scratch every time you launch a new campaign. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll have a repeatable template that matches your brand and is ready to clone whenever you need it. First, from your main ClickFunnels workspace, look over to the left-hand side menu and find the Landing Pages app. Go ahead and click that. This is where all of your existing pages live and where you'll be creating your new template. Next, you'll want to create a brand new landing page. Look for the button that says New Landing Page and click it. ClickFunnels will show you a range of preset templates. You don't have to find something perfect here, just choose a layout that's close to what you want. Think about the basic structure you need. Maybe a hero section at the top, space for a headline, room for a form, and sections for benefits or testimonials. Pick the option that feels like the best starting point. Once your new page is created, you'll be taken into the ClickFunnels page editor. This is where the real work happens, and also where you turn a generic template into your own reusable design. Start by adjusting the layout and sections. Remove any sections you don't need, add new ones if you're missing something, and rearrange the order until the flow makes sense for your typical landing pages. Then apply your branding. Change the colors to match your brand palette, update fonts so they're consistent with your website or other marketing materials, and swap out any placeholder images with your real images or graphics. You want this page to look and feel like your business, not like a default template. Now set up your forms, buttons, and calls to action. Add your main button text, connect your forms to the right lists or actions, and make sure the wording guides visitors clearly toward the next step you want them to take. Replace all placeholder text with real content that matches the kind of offers or campaigns you'll be running most often. Take a moment to preview the page and check it on both desktop and mobile views. Tweak spacing, font sizes, and button placements so it looks clean and professional on all devices. This is important because you'll be reusing this structure many times. When you're happy with the design, save your work and head back to the main landing pages area. Find the landing page you just created and look for the clone icon next to its name. Click that icon to create an identical copy. This cloned version is what you'll use as your personal template for future campaigns. Anytime you need a new landing page, simply clone this template, update the specific content for that campaign, and you're ready to go.